So, okay, let's get this started. Hey everybody, if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hola, I'm just Christopher, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming back, returning customer, and a loyal viewer, you know what we're about to do. Alright guys, so, Eden just arrived, literally like, right now. Okay, maybe a few hours ago. It's been a while since I started this video, but we're here, okay? And I must say, finally, are the words that I think have been repeated in the last couple of videos, but I feel like I forgot when I pre-ordered her, and I don't want to do the math right now because it's just too difficult. So, she's still in her shipper box. I gotta keep it 100 with you, as I always do. I bought this doll for her clothes. These twins are not my favorite. I think the screening is fabulous, but I'm not one for fantasy hair. It's just not my thing. But this ensemble is my thing. So, you see what I'll do later. Let me stop talking. I feel like I just got lost in the convo. Like we didn't talk last time. Shipper box down. Tissue paper. You know, for 2 seconds I forgot that she was in your face until I opened this box. It just wasn't something that was, I don't know, memorable. But here we have the like pretty basic new face box that we've been seeing recently. Wow, my lights are really high because this is looking like an angel. Like she is radiating. Enough of the box. I don't know why I had to do all that. Like, I'm gonna keep the doll. I'm not keeping her. And I know what most of you are probably saying. You said this before and you've kept things. And you're right. But this isn't one of those cases. Oh, you know, I thought this fabric was gonna be a little stiffer. I went for the dress, guys. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited to buy. Restyle. I don't know why I said buy. I think I've been buying too many things lately. We blame that on the pandemic. Yeah, this screening is actually very stunning. I actually really love this face. Oh, now I remember what I was gonna say. The other reason why I'm not that keen on keeping her per se is that I just didn't like the twin. Lilith was just not my cup of tea in any shape or form. And I'm at the point now where like, if I'm gonna get the twins, it needs to be the twins. I'm not just gonna get one twin today and then another twin later. So, yeah, it's not happening. Anyways. With that said, here she is. Oh, what the hell? I'm not going to give you a close-up. You know why I'm not going to give you a close-up? Well, if it's your first time, let me tell you. If you've been a returning customer, then you know what's about to happen. So, I will be unboxing this lovely young lady. Off camera, I don't want you to stress out with me. The unboxing process can be slightly stressful. Then I'm going to display her in all of her glory with all of her accessories. But in today's video, we're going to do something a little different. So instead of me redressing her and restyling her, I'm going to be bringing in a different model and showing you what my plans and ideas for this outfit originally were. Get ready. It's about to get exciting. Yeah. Okay, I feel like I've been doing this a lot lately and starting with the shoes, but with these particular shoes, I have to. I honestly did think they were going to be harder to put on than they were. Also, I clearly didn't fix this because sometimes one strap is already a pain. There are 3 straps on each shoe, which is a total of 6. But once I started kind of going at it, it actually was rather smooth. And I'm excited because these shoes are actually super, super cute. Something I didn't notice in the promo photos, but you can kind of now catch on camera. The stockings have like a little bit of shine to them, kind of like twinkle, which is really, really pretty because it really kind of bounces off the pearl kind of vibe the bag got. There's words that I'm trying to say and it's sitting at the tip of my tongue and I can't, but I hope somebody out there knows exactly what I'm trying to say. Iridescent? I think that was correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm okay with a little correction. Also love the fact that the bag has like these the hooks, so it can either be like an envelope or it can be a shoulder bag, which is super, super cute. Love, love, love the color of this dress and the fabric that was used. One of my favorite things about it. As I was dressing her, my necklace broke. So this was not on purpose, guys. This was not one of my like styling moments. Although it works, it actually looks really super cute. That was unplanned. And here she is, a little better close-up of her face. I honestly feel like this is one of my favorite screenings that I've seen of Eden. Please also remember I am a new collector, so I only know the most recent screenings of her. But I'm still just not a fan of fantasy hair, which now I don't even know what this color is. It's like a purple, pink. There's a lot of different hues kind of radiating from this hair. I remember someone mentioning something of like the hump being flat. It appears a little flat in this video now, but when I took it out of the box, I definitely saw more of it. But here she is, all styled, all glammed, ready to go wherever she's technically going. You know, this kind of feels like a young Sweet 16 vibe. Maybe that's what she's going, Sweet 16. Is that where you going, girl? It's cute. But yeah, so here she is, Eden, in her full glam. Now, to how I use these items and I will restyle them. And also, who will wear them? You're about to find out. Okay, guys, that's right. It's not one, but two. I would like to present to you what I call the errands. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I went ahead and split this outfit into two, made them into sisters. I made my own set of twins here. From the moment I saw this outfit and the errand came out, I kind of had this idea of breaking up the dress and the jacket and creating two looks between sisters. I think that's the other thing that I did not love about that Eden is the fact that Lilith's outfit just doesn't complement it. It's like two sisters going to two very different parties. They got fantasy here and they got pastels, but the reality is they just don't complement each other like these two do. They're both wearing pastel still, but this is a little bit more like Marie Antoinette and her gentleman friend in a way. So yeah, here is my restyle look on my errands. Looking like twins here. Got the light hair, the dark hair, the more like masculine, a little bit more feminine, giving you a little bit of both worlds. This shoe is really killing me, and I just fixed it. Ugh, anyways. Right? Here are the errands one last time. Yes. Okay, guys, that was today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please, please, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also press that bell notification because honestly, the videos are random, just like the dolls are. So I wish I had a more like consistent schedule. The word got lost in my train of thought and we only know what's probably happening in my head right now anyways. So thank you so much for watching once again, and get ready because I actually do know who's coming next because she should be arriving in about 2 days, 3 days, whatever. There's another video. Get ready. Okay, guys, bye.